Cosen Saws offers a broad selection of semi-automatic saws and in a variety of cutting capacities and styles. With saws in dual column, scissor style, and tilt frame designs, Cosen's semi-automatic series offers solutions for both straight cuts and miter cutting and are able to achieve cutting capacities of up to 80 inches. The SH-3026L is Cosen's entry-level semi-automatic dual-post bandsaw. The saw's linear guide dual-post design allows for more rigidity and stability during cuts, making it perfect for more dense materials. Allowing for a round cutting capacity of 10.2 inches and a rectangular capacity of 10.2 inches high by 11.8 inches wide. The saw offers the added benefits expected from a larger capacity machine, but still in a relatively small footprint. Coming in at a little over 2,500 pounds, the SH-3026L comes equipped with an 1.25-inch blade, a 5-horsepower blade motor, and a list of optional accessories which can meet the needs of any small to medium-sized job shop or cutting house.